Hi everyone, this is Reassemble again. Today we have a special console for you guys. It's the Nintendo GameCube. We bought it as not working for parts only, but we're gonna try to repair it. It doesn't output any video. It will turn on, but it's no video. It is sound though, but it's no video output. We can see it now on the screen. See, the screen is black, but sound is coming through. So I was lucky enough and I found a replacement board for the GameCube. So what are we going to do today? We're going to open it, swap the board, and hopefully get it back working. The seller said the board is fully functional, so we'll put that to the test. Alright, and this is the replacement board that we received. So let's open it up. Yeah, it looks used. But yeah, we will test it and see. It's gonna be fun. Alright, let's start on it. So also I found that the lens, it's not working, but when I purchased the GameCube, by precaution I bought an optical lens just to have, and it's this one right here. So we're gonna go ahead and swap it out. Alright, let's do that. Now, as you can see now, it's working, it's successful. We swapped the motherboard, swapped the lens, and yeah, everything is working. That was quite challenging, but it was fun. image looks pretty good.
Today on RBN World News, we examine the growing mutant menace. It's a concern of worldwide proportions. This scene took place in Russia 2 weeks ago as a young mutant stood into...
It's going to be hard for me to play. I'm using one hand. Other hand is holding the switch for the lens. But yeah, everything is working. This game looks good. Alright, so now let's put this console together and call it done. Show my head with it. looks good. Yeah, as you can see, it's playing great. It's 100% fixed. It was really fun working on it. It was kind of some hiccups and challenge that we went through, but other than that, it was pretty interesting. So yeah, please, if you have any questions, drop your question in the comment section, and stay tuned for the next video. Have a good one.